Let's take a look at what we are going to be anticipating for the day on our gold. Now, before we go ahead and do our analysis on gold, now those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you have not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our UN gold. Now, zoom it out right here. In order for you to be able to see what market is doing, you need to zoom it out. So basically, we tend to have three movements in the market. It's either market is trending to the upside, which is an uptrend move, or market is trending to the downside, which is a downtrend move, or market is literally ranging. These are the three movements you will most likely find in the market, either trending to the upside, or trending to the downside, or literally ranging. And as you can see, right, market is literally trending to the upside. We are very much on a bullish move, right? Market is literally giving us that movement to the upside. Now, take a look at this movement right here, guys. This is the first high from here. For quick analysis, by the way, we start from here for quick analysis. This is the first high that market did give us, and here comes the higher low, right? Now, market was able to push up again to form a new high, and here comes the higher low, right? Now, we'll be anticipating for another bullish move to play out. It is able to form a new high, thereby taking out this high. So, guys, more movement to the upside on good is what we are going to be expecting. So, if you are a swing trader, right, or you are a position trader going for the buy and hold your buy position. So, like I said, if you're a long-term trader, you would want to hold your position for the next 1 to 2 weeks, and possibly next 2 to 3 months, right? That is for how will I call it, position traders going for the buy because markets will still push up. That is for the for long-term traders. Now let's go down to the 4 hour time frame. Now let's start it from here, right here, guys. So this is our first eye that market did give us. You can see it as your first eye, and here can be seen as your higher low. This can also be seen as your higher high right here, and this is your higher low right here, guys. So this is your higher low, guys. This is your higher low. Now our next movement on gold will be another bullish move that should form a new high, thereby taking out this high right here. So guys, a bullish move is still what we are going to be expecting. A bullish move is what we are going to be anticipating for on gold. So gold needs to give us that bullish move. It is able to take out this high fully, thereby forming a new higher high. So whatever you would want to be doing on your gold, you want to be going in for the buy. Now, if there's going to be any changes to this prediction that we just did, right, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. I'll make sure I do the updates and I'll give you guys. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, make sure you subscribe to the channel, follow the Telegram also. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. So guys, a bullish move for the day is what we're going to be expecting on gold. Have it in mind that if in case gold drops, right, it will still give us that bullish move. So if in case gold drops to fully tap this support level, as there's a possibility it will likely do that, have that in mind that gold will most likely come back to a test its support level to tap it well, to tap it properly. Then once it taps it, guys, once you see that it taps it, going for the buy. Whatever you want to be doing on your gold, look for your buy setup for the day.